push and pull production. In the world of manufacturing, two primary production methodologies exist: push and pull production. Each methodology has its own set of advantages and disadvantages, and it is important for manufacturers to understand the differences between them to make informed decisions about their production processes. Push production is a traditional method of manufacturing that involves producing goods based on demand forecasts. In this method, manufacturers produce goods in anticipation of customer orders. The goal of push production is to maximize output and minimize costs by producing goods in large batches. This method is often used in industries where demand is stable and predictable, such as in the production of consumer goods. One of the advantages of push production is that it allows for economies of scale. By producing in large quantities, companies can take advantage of lower production costs. Additionally, push production can help companies meet short-term spikes in demand by having excess inventory readily available. Pull production, on the other hand, is a more recent methodology that focuses on producing goods based on actual customer demand. In this method, manufacturers only produce goods when there is an actual customer order. The goal of pull production is to minimize waste and reduce inventory levels by producing goods only when they are needed. This method is often used in industries where demand is volatile and unpredictable, such as in the production of custom-made products. One of the main advantages of push production is that it allows manufacturers to take advantage of economies of scale by producing goods in large batches. This can result in lower production costs and higher profit margins. However, push production can also result in excess inventory levels if demand does not meet expectations. This can lead to increased storage costs and the need for additional warehouse space. Pull production, on the other hand, can help manufacturers reduce waste and inventory levels by producing goods only when they are needed. This can result in lower storage costs and a more efficient use of resources. However, pull production can also result in longer lead times and higher production costs due to the need for more frequent setups and changeovers. Pull production also has its challenges. It requires a high level of coordination and communication between different stages of the supply chain to ensure that materials and products are available when needed. Additionally, pull production may not be suitable for all types of products or industries, especially those with long lead times or complex manufacturing processes. In recent years, many manufacturers have begun to adopt a hybrid approach to production that combines elements of both push and pull methodologies. This approach, known as lean manufacturing, seeks to eliminate waste and improve efficiency by continuously improving processes and reducing lead times. Both push and pull production methodologies have their own set of advantages and disadvantages. Manufacturers must carefully evaluate their production needs and customer demands to determine which methodology is best suited for their business. By adopting a hybrid approach or implementing lean manufacturing principles, manufacturers can improve efficiency, reduce waste, and ultimately increase profitability. In conclusion, push and pull production are two different methods used in manufacturing and supply chain management. Push production is based on forecasts and predictions, while pull production is driven by actual customer demand. Both methods have their advantages and disadvantages, and companies need to carefully consider their specific requirements and circumstances when choosing between them.